Good morning to all. The topic of today's presentation is refrigerator. It is a cooling device that produces cold. It maintains the temperature below the surrounding of atmosphere. What is the principle of refrigerator? It works by passing a cool refrigerant gas around food items which absorbs the heat from them. Then it loses that heat to the cooler surroundings on the outside. This is the required diagram of a refrigerator. Here it has internal heat exhaust coil, likewise external heat exchange coil, then coil behind refrigerator and inside refrigerator. Here important equipment called expansion valve is present and refrigerant gas is also present. It is electrically powered. Compressor is attached with this device. Now we see the construction of a refrigerator. Expansion valve controls the flow of the liquid refrigerant into the evaporator. The compressor sucks the liquid refrigerant from the evaporator and compresses it in a cylinder to make a hot high pressure. The evaporator absorbs the heat from the stuff kept inside. This heat exchanges the liquid refrigerant into the vapor by using exchangers. The condenser absorbs the heat from the vapor and expels to the surrounding. Now we'll see the construction. As the heat is removed, the vapor changes into liquid. In this way, refrigerant keeps the refrigeration cycle going. Now we'll see the working of the refrigerator. The liquid refrigerant is passed into the expansion valve. It turns into cool gas in the expansion valve due to the sudden drop in pressure. The cool gas flows through the chiller cabinet evaporator. The evaporator now absorbs the heat from the food items which we kept inside the fridge and vaporizers. The vapor flows into the compressor once again. The compressor compresses the molecules to make it into a hot, high pressure gas. This high pressure gas transports to the condenser. Now the condenser converts the heat into liquid once again. Then this liquid travels back to the expansion valve and becomes a cool gas. This is a complete cycle of a refrigerator. By this way, the whole cycle repeats and the material or the food items which we kept inside the fridge get cooled. Okay, this is the method of refrigerator construction, working principle and the applications of a refrigerator. Thank you.